So I want to talk to you about the Climate Change Summit, which is happening in Paris in a few days. You can make a difference. It's really important. And I recognise that climate change is such a huge catastrophic threat on the one hand, that we can't really imagine it. And at the same time, it's not right in our faces. It's not happening to us right now, though it is affecting a lot of people on Earth. But the moral pressure and the public pressure from all around the world can make a real difference. And this is what top people connected to the summit are saying. It's pressure from the public. That means you and me. So please, please, please do add your voice to the mosaic. Let people know about it. Join in, because the time is now, right now. Not next week, not the week after, not next year, it's now. Please stand up and be counted. Let's make a standing ovation for life on Earth. Let our voices be heard. Thank you.